Making an appointment with the doctor on the phone. Receptionist, good morning, Dr. Evans's office. How can I help you? Patient, hi, I need to make an appointment to see the doctor. Receptionist, what are your symptoms? Patient, I have a cold but also a very sore throat. I may need antibiotics. Receptionist, I'm sorry to hear that. When would you like to see the doctor? Patient, as soon as possible, please. Is Dr. Evans available this afternoon? Receptionist, let me check. Yes, he has an opening at 3 p.m. Does that work for you? Patient, that's perfect. Receptionist, good. Are you a new patient? Patient, no, I've seen him before. Receptionist, can I have your name and phone number, please? Patient, it's Emily Chen, and my number is 780-555-1234. Receptionist, are you still at 123 35th Street Northwest? Patient, yes, that is still my address. Receptionist, great, you're all set. Please bring your healthcare card with you. Patient, okay. Receptionist, great. See you then, Miss Chen. Take care. Patient, thank you.